Good morning. We're on our way to King's Cross. Today we're going to Scotland.
We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Don't take a video of me, I look ugly right now.
You look cute. Yeah. This is the living room.
So cute.
That's a shower. Look at this kitchen.
Kitchen's really cute.
Can you go in room? It's nice. Let's see what else.
Where did you put the...
I have the keys here. Let's see what else there is. I love these. Here's a bedroom. It's got a lovely fire thing. We've been in Edinburgh for a total of 20 minutes because we walked from the station here, from Waverley Station, and it is so nice. Here's the... I have it, Mom. Here's the other bedroom. This one's bigger. But it's really lovely. I really, really like it. It feels like Sham. Like Syria. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Where? I don't know. I think that way. Hey guys, so welcome to another day in Scotland. I'll just start with my day in the beginning. So we woke up at 8:30, which is when the sun comes up in the winter. Then we went to Calton Hill. Well, we had breakfast and then we walked to Calton Hill. We're looking for the Palace of Holyrood. And there's a monument. I think it's Burns Monument right there behind me. Reem, where are we? We're in the cemetery because this is the road. This is the fastest way to get to the palace. I remember you saying that you are fascinated with cemeteries.
Yeah, I am fascinated by cemeteries. You know.
You waiting for us, Reem? Tell me, where are you going?
To Edinburgh Castle.
Hey, Mommy. It's not really raining. It's like sprinkling. But I love walking in new cities. Even in old cities, actually. I just love walking around because you get to see little parts of the town or the city, the area that you're in, that you wouldn't naturally see if you were in a car driving all the time. And right now it's about dusk, and these gas lamps, or maybe electric lamps now, are lighting our way. But it's nice. It's nice to just walk. So I'm not really sure what these buildings are around me. It's about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and we just had dinner, and we're just walking around buying some souvenirs and things before we go back to London tomorrow. But the idea is, if you get a chance, you have to visit Edinburgh. You see the standard of Today is the last day in Scotland, and it's Sima's birthday, so that makes her special. So for her birthday, we're gonna go to Edinburgh Castle. We're gonna go visit it. It's about a mile walk from where we are. We're gonna see it and then a mile back. Then we have to check out and take a train. Yeah. So, as you can see, we found Edinburgh Castle. Unfortunately, because of they're doing like maintenance in the gardens, and there was an event they're cleaning up, so we can't cut through the gardens to get to the castle. We could take a car around and walk up the stairs, but we're short on time. So we're not gonna be able to make it all the way up there, but it's really beautiful, beautiful view. And maybe if we come back next time, we'll be able to visit it and walk inside. So there it is.
going?
We are going from Edinburgh Waverley to King's Cross Station, and we have some seats reserved for us in there. It's about a 4-hour train ride, and it's kind of fun, alhamdulilah. So yeah, let's go.
Because we've been traveling by train, and it's really stressful at first. Oh my god, the first time we got on a train, I was like, I don't know.
Because we've never been on a train before,
Yeah.
because we don't have trains in California.
Yeah, so, and we do, but we just don't use them. We use cars all the time. Before you come, if you're going to come on a trip, try this pass. It's called BritRail Pass, National Rail. Basically, and we got the BritRail, we didn't get the, like, there are different kinds. There's one just for like South London or London area or London and Dorset, but we got one that is the whole of the UK.
Yeah.
Not Ireland. Ireland is separate, but it goes to Wales and Scotland, and that was because it would have been more expensive to take the smaller trains between London, Brighton, and Bournemouth and things like that.
And to Scotland.
And to go to Scotland and come
Yeah.
back from Scotland to London. So we did these passes, and we got them for 8 consecutive days, and it ended up being cheaper. And it's really just like really easy. You show the person before you go into the train station, like, this is my pass.
Yeah.
You go into the train, you just show them your pass. It's really easy, and it's really helpful for travelers.
These tickets only work for the National Rail, so you
not-
gotta look for this symbol.
It's outside like Waverley Station and other stations that are for that.
King's Cross, Victoria.
The Brighton one, the Hove one. There
Yeah.
are some. Yeah.
If you get inside of London, you have to use the underground. So these tickets are great
But
if you're
some-
going long distances. In general, it's a really, really good idea to look for it to see if the BritRail Pass is going to work for you.
It's only for tourists.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And the other thing is, there is a website on the BritRail Pass, if you do buy it, where you can get sometimes 2-for-1 deals on specific attractions around the country. So look for that too.
Okay, we're gonna miss our train. Let's go.
Okay. Nisim.
Hi. We're gonna have really nice views.
Going to King's Cross
Back. Yeah.
in London.
Happy birthday.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, we need to keep one of these for Ahmad, by the way.
First time we came on the
know.
train, we were not prepared for the length of the train.
Inshallah, this one's not.
And so this time we have snacks. Mom bought a Victoria sandwich cake. And we got some veggie,
Where'd Mama go?
gelatin-free gummies. And a whole bunch of other snacks.
Chips.
Like What's-Its and
Jaffa
chocolate.
cakes.
And
Chocolate.
Jaffa cakes.
What did they say?
Chocolate. Jaffa cakes and What's-Its and...
Yeah, basically we're getting fat in these 2 weeks.
That's okay. And Quavers. Is it called Quavers? That's what it's called?